The last time I was here, that house was halfway done. Now it's complete and it looks awesome. Right next to the tracks, which we are in Boyce, Virginia. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and as you can hear in the background, it's train time. I'm in Boyce, Virginia, and let's take a look at this Norfolk Southern come in. Well, I'm not sure what happened to the sound. I went back to replay the video to see how it looked, and all of a sudden the sound cut out with about a minute or so left on that train. So I'll have to go back and see what the problem is there. But thank God I had my windscreen on my microphone, because it got really breezy in here, so you could probably really hear the wind. But sorry about the sound there, and I think that's going to do it. And on that note, Traveler saying, see you by the rails. Got to get that sound fixed.